Looking for the best budget backpacks for work and travel in 2024? You've come to the right place. In this guide, we've handpicked the top backpacks that combine style, functionality, and affordability. Whether you're commuting to the office or embarking on an adventure, our selection will help you find the perfect backpack to suit your needs. Be sure to check the product links in the description for more details and the best deals. Taygeer Travel Backpack. Looking for the perfect travel companion? Meet the Taygeer Travel Backpack for women. This versatile carry-on backpack features a USB charging port, ensuring your devices stay powered on the go. With a dedicated shoe pouch and a TSA-approved 15.6-inch laptop compartment, it's ideal for travel, business, or hiking. The stylish pink design makes it a chic accessory for nurses, weekenders, and casual day trips. Lightweight yet durable, it offers ample storage and easy organization for all your essentials. Experience convenience and style with the Taygeer Travel Backpack, your ultimate partner for any adventure. MATEIN Carry-On Backpack. Introducing the MATEIN Carry-On Backpack, your ultimate travel partner. This extra-large travel backpack is perfect for both men and women, offering a spacious 40L capacity. Designed to be airplane-approved, it's expandable for added convenience. Crafted from water-resistant materials, this lightweight daypack ensures your belongings stay dry and secure. Ideal for weekend getaways or business trips, its sleek black design combines style with functionality. Experience hassle-free travel with organized compartments, including a laptop sleeve and multiple pockets. Elevate your travel game with the MATEIN Carry-On Backpack, the perfect blend of durability and elegance for any journey. MATEIN Travel Laptop Backpack. Introducing the MATEIN Travel Laptop Backpack, the perfect blend of functionality and style. Designed for both men and women, this sleek grey backpack is ideal for business, college, and everyday use. It fits laptops up to 15.6 inches and features an anti-theft design to keep your belongings secure. The USB charging port ensures your devices stay powered throughout the day. Made from water-resistant materials, it offers durability and protection in all weather conditions. With its slim profile and sturdy construction, the MATEIN Travel Laptop Backpack is the ultimate gift for students, professionals, and travelers who value convenience and security. YOREPEK Travel Backpack. Discover the YOREPEK Travel Backpack, the ultimate solution for your travel and work needs. This extra-large 50L backpack is perfect for both men and women, offering ample space for all your essentials. Designed to fit laptops up to 17 inches, it's ideal for college, business trips, and everyday use. The USB charging port keeps your devices powered on the go, while the water-resistant material ensures your belongings stay safe and dry. Airline approved, this backpack combines durability and convenience with its sleek black design. Elevate your travel experience with the YOREPEK Travel Backpack, the perfect companion for any adventure. RUVALINO Diaper Bag Backpack. Introducing the RUVALINO Diaper Bag Backpack, the ultimate multifunctional solution for parents on the go. This waterproof travel backpack is designed with convenience and style in mind. It comes with a changing pad, stroller D-ring, and a pacifier case, making it an essential companion for any outing. The spacious design ensures you have room for all your baby's necessities, while the grey color offers a chic, modern look. Perfect as a baby registry search item or shower gift, the RUVALINO Diaper Bag Backpack combines practicality and elegance, ensuring you're always prepared for any adventure with your little one. We hope this guide has helped you find the perfect budget backpack for your work and travel needs in 2024. Each of these backpacks offers a great blend of quality and affordability, ensuring you get the best value for your money. Don't forget to explore the product links in the description to get more information and make your purchase. Happy travels and productive work days await.